Hey guys, this is LeGrandzilla, and I'm here with some of my Gamera stuff. And I just finished this Kaiyodo Honeybones Gamera 95 Super Deform, which is bigger than most of my Super Deform kits, or most Super Deform kits I've seen, compared to some of these others. It's like twice as big. But this one we'll be reviewing today, and I hope you like it. Okay, here's the Honeybones Kaiyodo Gamera 95 Super Deform kit, and I finished it recently, and I made a super deformed volcano base for him. And if I pick it up, you can see that a little better. I put some lava. You know, Gamera doesn't mind lava and fire; he likes to eat it. So anyway, I love this kit, and I really like the instructions. As you can see, it says it's Kaiyodo and Honeybones. And you can see here that it has, 6, 7, 8 pieces. And I really love the box art on this. Love this box art, it's so cool. Good sized for a Super Deform. I painted the shell with the Tester's color shift paints, and you can't really see it too well in this light, but it goes from green to copper. It's got a little bit of a sheen, metallic look to it in this light, but under the correct lighting, and actually without the camera, I see it a lot better. That is how I painted the shell. And as usual, I painted it with acrylics and then finished it with oil washes and dry brushing. Cute as can be. I got this kit online. I saw another one on eBay not too long ago, and both of them were about $60, which for the size of the kit, I think is pretty worth it to me. Kits aren't cheap anymore, if they're genuine. At first he didn't want to sit up very straight. He was kind of bending down and having to glue the shell on in the middle first, then heat it up, and then pull the tail and the shell down, and then pull this and the head and neck towards each other and glue that separately. After it all dried, enabled me to get him to get in a better posture. All right. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.